Apple has just rolled out iOS 26 Beta 6 for registered developers, with a public beta expected to follow soon. This update came alongside new betas for iPadOS, watchOS, macOS, Tahoe, TelevisionOS, HomePodOS, and visionOS, marking another big step toward the official release. The update is quite large at 10.56GB, matching the hefty sizes of recent betas, and carries the build number 23 of 5318C, the C at the end, showing it's getting closer to the final version. It also includes a modem firmware update to version 2.0 4.06. Once installed, the changes are immediately noticeable. The onboarding sequence now introduces iOS 26 features with a fresh liquid glass design, hinting that Apple's new interface style is almost complete. There are also 7 new ringtones, 6 variations of the familiar reflection tone, plus one original track called Little Bird. Among them, Dreamer seems to stand out the most. The liquid glass effect itself has been refined. The lock screen clock now has a stronger glass-like appearance. Reflections and frosting in the UI are more colorful, and toggle switches in settings animate with a smooth, polished effect. Even the battery widget has been updated to match the new style. Animations across the system are faster and smoother. Apps now open and close with a centered pop rather than sliding from the side, and certain screens, like the Settings app, feel bouncier and more responsive. Some features, however, didn't cut. The camera scroll direction toggle, which was added in Beta 5 to let users reverse the mode switching scroll, has been removed, reverting to the older iOS behavior. In apps, there are a few notable tweaks. The Photos app greets users with a new splash screen highlighting improved navigation, customizable collections, and support for spatial scenes. On the stability side, several bugs have been squashed. Apps that crash during search should now work fine. The Add to Screen feature for web apps is functional again, and the passcode entry glitch with single-digit inputs has been fixed. That said, a new problem has surfaced in messages. Translations won't work if only the recipient has the feature enabled. Both people need it turned on for it to function. Performance feels snappier, although part of that might be the quicker animations making everything seem faster. Geekbench scores have seen a small bump, and while battery life is still too early to judge, more feedback should come after extended use. Apple is likely to stick with weekly beta releases from here, with Beta 7 expected around the 18th of August, Beta 8 toward the end of August, and the release candidate possibly arriving on the 8th of September, lining up with a mid-September final release. Overall, Beta 6 focuses on refining the liquid glass look, speeding up animations, and introducing new ringtones, while also addressing bugs. The next updates are expected to be more about refining performance than introducing big new features. And of course, the big question remains, which of the new ringtones will become everyone's favorite? So, that's it for today. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching.